unless you talk and I talk at the same time, and your daddy part lines up with my dead part. It's weird, but it will work. We're going to change nature and meet in the middle. Okay. Okay, there you are. You're at the edge of the nature white. Now start walking south. And keep going. Separate yourself from the white part. Start walking towards the center of the world. Walk away from the white. Away from the safety of the net. The white. With the regular white people. And now look towards the new Donkey Kong people. They should be there. Do you see them? Find them.